There might be a video that's already hosted on a place like YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or one of these other places that you want to insert directly on your website. These are what we call remote videos, and you can do that in this simple procedure that I'll show you today. First, we're going to add a content block to this page. So click Add Content, and the content sidebar opens, and click on Remote Video. A new sidebar opens with features to select a video. Click on Add Media. In this box, you will need to paste the URL of where the video is hosted. So I will look at YouTube, and I want to insert this video into my page. I can go to the address bar above and copy the URL to my clipboard. I could also hover over this video, right-click, and click on Copy Video URL. Then I go back to my website, and I paste that in here. Also here you will see the allowed providers, which are Facebook, Instagram, Livestream, Twitter, Vimeo, and YouTube. Click Add. Also, you'll want to note that by adding a remote video to your media library, you're creating a streaming link to the video at the other website. You're not actually storing the video on your Wildfire website. Click on the Save button to continue. Now you'll see the video in your media library below. Click Insert Selected. The video now appears in both the layout panel on the left and in the sidebar on the right. In the sidebar, you can check or uncheck the box to show title. Since my video has the title inside the thumbnail of the video itself, I am going to uncheck and not show the title in Wildfire. Then you can click on the Save button, scroll to the bottom of the layout page, and click Save. The video now appears as if it's on your website. If you click Play here, you will see the video player controls appear at the bottom.
Luke investigated many of the earliest
This button will allow you to play or pause your video. This is where you can adjust the volume. This is the progress bar that shows where you're at in the video. The viewer can turn on or off subtitles here. If they click on this settings icon, they will have some more options, including playback speed, so they can slow the video down or speed it up. If they click on YouTube, this will take them directly to the YouTube site to watch the video. And they can make the video full screen by clicking here. Sometimes on YouTube you might have a playlist, and you might want to insert that playlist also on Wildfire. For example, in YouTube, this is a playlist which is called the Torah series. So all these videos here are in that playlist. If you want to insert this playlist into your website, you would do it basically the same way you did for the individual video. The main difference is that you need to start from the playlist page on YouTube, and then you can right-click, copy video URL, and then go to your website. Edit layout, add section. Let's say I want to put the playlist on the top in one column. So I'll select one column, and then I'll select Add Content. And you again want to select Remote Video. add media, and paste the URL here. The main difference that you'll see if you look closely inside the URL, you'll see something either that says list or playlist or something like that, which will define it as a playlist. So you'll click Add, Save. In this view, it looks the same as an individual video. Just make sure it's checked and click Insert Selected. You have the same options here to show or not show the title. And then click Save on the sidebar. And scroll to the bottom and click the Save button. You'll now see the top right-hand corner has a little playlist icon, which wasn't on the other video. This one shows that this is video number 1 of 7. So for the user to access the playlist, they just have to click on this icon and it opens up a drawer which has the 7 videos in it. They could click on whichever video they want to watch next. One other thing that has been mentioned in some of the other tutorials is that the video player defaults to wide. So I always like to reduce it by clicking Edit Layout, Edit Section, and change it from the default to the medium size. When you click Save, you'll see it's already reduced to a size that fits within your screen. Scroll to the bottom, click Save, and now you'll see the layout of this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos.